Ideal for today's half-ton pickups, the SnowEx 7600 RD and 8000 RD models are engineered to meet your vehicle's weight requirements and exceed your plowing expectations. Whether you're using it for personal plowing or light-duty commercial applications, choose between the 7.5-foot 7600 RD or the 8-foot wide 8000 RD to find the right plow for your half-ton. These tough snow plows are built with high-strength steel that is both stronger and lighter than conventional steel to handle tough conditions, yet are easier on your truck than heavier plows. The formed base channel is the backbone of the plow, also built with high-strength steel and multiple angles for extra stability. 6 vertical ribs support the back of the blade for additional torsional strength, and a full trip mold board with 2 coil springs work to protect you, your truck, and your plow when unexpected obstacles get in the way. The robust 6-inch steel cutting edge protects the blade at the point of contact for longer wear and clean scraping action. The robotically welded headgear ensures quality and consistency on every SnowEx plow. SnowEx's high-performance multi-stage powder coat system provides a long-lasting, maintenance-free finish. SnowEx plows also feature an easy-to-use handheld controller. With one touch, you can raise, lower, and angle the blade quickly and easily. SnowEx's responsive direct lift system maximizes your efficiency by providing a full range of motion for easy stacking. All SnowEx plows feature custom-made hydraulics designed and produced in-house to maintain a high level of quality and performance. And the hassle-free Automatics attachment system helps you get your plow on and off your truck fast, so you can get behind the wheel faster.
The SnowEx Automatics attachment system with automatic stand is designed to get your plow hooked up in only a few quick and easy steps. Simply drive into the wide flared receiver brackets, plug into the electrical connections, activate the power attachment switches. The plow attaches and pulls the stand up all in one completely automatic motion. Then simply engage the pin lever to lock the plow onto the truck. Everything can be done from the driver's side of the truck. No pushing, no pulling, no messing around. The revolutionary 100% automatic plow attachment system with automatic stand, only from SnowEx. And now you can elevate your truck plow's capabilities even further when you add the Scrape Max Downforce Kit. Install it within minutes and turn your light truck and regular duty plows into commercial grade performers. Apply extra downforce on heavy duty plows for superior back dragging results. With powerful down to the pavement scraping performance, hard pack doesn't stand a chance.
From SnowEx, the SnowEx half-ton series, built on your terms.